Today, we're going to talk about water animals. There are hundreds and hundreds of different kinds of animals that live in the water, and they are very different from animals that live in the land. Fish are a huge portion of the animals that live in the water. They live in the water all the time, have gills, and swim. There are multiple different kinds of fish, and I can't even count how many there are. There's sharks, like this one, with big teeth and eat all kinds of little fish. There are also mammals that live in the water, like this sea otter right here. Mammals live in the land and the water, and sea otters are kind of like dogs that bark and bark and bark. They both bark. Tigers are also animals, but they live on the land. Killer whales are a type of whale that live in the sea, which are mammals, and so are dolphins. A mammal is an animal that needs oxygen, at least at some point, and gives birth naturally, not from an egg. Some mammals do live in the water, such as the dolphin and the whale and the otter, like we just saw. And they live in the water all the time, but sometimes they go up to the surface and get air. Another animal that lives in the water is an octopus. Octopi can be very large, and sometimes they can be very small. Sea turtles also live in the water, and you see turtles a lot in the woods or by a lake, but they do live in the water most of the time and are considered water animals. You can tell the difference between water animals and land animals simply by where they live the most. Water animals live in the water most of the time, or if not all the time, while land animals live on the land all the time, need air all the time, and get in the water sometimes just to bathe or play or to drink. We love water animals.